Nice to meet you, engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel for the BIM Grow. In today's session, we will see for creating the dynamic shoulder sub-assembly composer. It is a strength training and all those lists you will get on the playlist. And I see from the previous section one thing not recorded correctly. This is the how to define the materials. For example, we use in the previous section fill type, the soil fill, the weather rock fill, and strong rock fill. How we are selecting, you are selecting on the input and output parameters, how they work, thus. And for the next time also we use the type of ditch and the types of excavation. Now all today I will work thus to define to get this defined enumeration. Go to the sub-assembly composer. On the top toolbar there is a file, edit, view and help. Go to the view and define enumeration. After that, write down the enumeration group and enumeration item. This enumeration group is fill type. What about the item? What we can have different types of fill type. Now soil fill for our second. Automatically display name. When we write the enumeration item, the display name also write himself. Weather rock fill. Rock fill. Strong rock fill. We are finalizing for the fill type. We will also for now enumeration group for the ditch type. This type ditch or ditch type, you can use type ditch. What kinds of ditch we have? Masonry U ditch, U underscore ditch. Reinforced concrete ditch. Trapezoidal ditch. We will also get enumeration group for the excavation material type. What kind of material we have? Weak soil. Weasel rock. Strong rock. After creating this, we will say OK and go to the input and output parameters, and we will select this from the input and output parameters, and on the name, the display, the type of material. We will select and we will use for what we need, the fill type or types of excavation and master ditch. We will see in the next time in detail, but for example, when you want to work the trapezoidal ditch, select the trapezoidal ditch, and I will explain more in the next section. For today, it is only work this and not before worked or not recorded correctly. Thank you so much. If there is anything clear, drop in the comment below, and see you next tutorial. Stay safe on site and keep building. Thank you so much.